fidgets. Today I'm going to be playing with fidgets. I'm gonna play with more fidgets. In my last video I played with fidgets, but I'm gonna play with different fidgets. The fidgets that we haven't played with before. Okay, so first, not just like snail, snail, or like, I don't know, like a worm maybe? I don't know, but let's listen to this. Okay, next. Where do we put this? Okay, let me just throw that down. Okay, now the next thing is going to be this little sweet. Guys, remember to subscribe and like the video.
Hello.
The next thing is going to be this butterfly dimple. It looks really cute. Nice. Okay, so let's pop this. That's really good. Okay, and let's throw this. Nice. Okay. This is another dimple, but it's like space. Okay. Let's flip it. I bet this is the better side. Okay, let's go. Ready? Whoa, that was nice. This is really good. Throw this. Nice. Okay. Now we have this keyboard puppet. What the? That was loud. Okay, pop. Okay, that's really good, but next. Place these down here. Okay, next one. This, like, little kitty donut. Some, like strawberry flavor on the bottom, looks like. Okay, let's squish. Really nice. Okay, guys. So we're gonna just put this down here. Nice. Okay, this is another squishy. I had this like a long time ago. It's like a little cookie. Okay, let's squish. Slow rising. Okay, next one. Whoa! I see some from last video, but we're not gonna do those. We're gonna do different ones. Whoa! This is a big puppet. Oh my god. Okay. It's like, I think it's as big as me. Well, almost as big as me. That's really big. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna drop these on the floor. I think I should wear one. I'm gonna wear this little Pikachu one. Okay. Cute. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna pop this.
Popular one.
Okay. Pop it. pretty much did a lot of it. It's really good. Oh, this is